cable out to it. Warm. Alright. Looking good. Another quarter to go. What's going to happen is the little one's going to tweak out. It's going to go up to pretty maximum, and then the big spring is going to do the rest. Goes down. It's not too bad. That's just got another foot or so to go. Okay, so here we are. Back up. Okay, last go here. Whew. It. Yep. All right, now you take that right above it. Because as you can see, I am really close. Oh no, it's wrong. You can't. You will in a second. See how the pulleys are right there together. And you get that pulley on top, up top. That one too. Because they're coming together and it's pulling it underneath. It should be on the outside. And of course the top of the cable is touching the top of the pulley. Both pulleys are touching. So that's, that's it. The door is down. Yep, door is down. So I gotta figure out what I need to do for an adjustment on that. The springs are good. Okay. Let's see the springs. Yeah. You can see between the lines. See how the springs are. The bottom one's almost fully expanded. The other one's coming up behind it. You see that? See that one's doing it right there. Not bad. And because you do have. This one's a little bit closer than that one. This one's right on top, actually right on the track. And this one's outside the track. That's working pretty good. So now I figure out how to carry that. I got to get those up. I'm gonna see how the ones on my regular garage is set up. So I'm following exactly how this door here is set up. This door is already all the way open. It had those adjusting brackets, and I could have used those. And then it's coming over here, and it's hooked in right to the side of that. So let's see what happens when I close it. You know, come to find out, I didn't even think about it, but got the door. Got the door open. I don't even need this. As you can see here, I'm way away from that pulley. I'm way away, and that's, of course, that's one spring off of that, in line with that. And that pulley coming almost more than halfway back. But I think I'm good. I'm good the way I am. I've just got to adjust those pulleys. I just gotta adjust those pulleys so they're not gonna hit each other. How to go on? I could probably take the cable, put it on top, of it. You got a ring on top of it too. I think I can put that in. Huh. Now we're gonna see here. I'll let you know how we do. But as we can see, I'll go ahead and lift the door back up. A little more spray pressure on that, I guess. Might be my problem. Maybe I don't have enough. Maybe I can have a little more spray pressure on it. I definitely want to move that to the cable. I think I'm just lucky. I've got enough tension on the spring.